Motion. Motion refers to the movement of an object from one position to another over time. It can be described in terms of speed, direction, and acceleration. Motion is a fundamental concept in physics and can be observed in everyday life, such as the movement of a car on a road or a ball rolling down a hill. Types of motion are rectilinear motion. When an object moves along a straight line path, it is called rectilinear motion. For example, a car driving on a straight road, a rocket moving straight up into the sky. Circular motion. When an object moves around a circular path, it is called circular motion. For example, a Ferris wheel rotating in a circular path. Periodic motion. When an object repeats its motion after a regular interval of time, it is called periodic motion. For example, a pendulum swinging back and forth, or the motion of a child on a swing. Oscillatory motion. It refers to the repetitive back and forth movement of an object around a central point. For example, a swing moving back and forth periodically. Heartbeat. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles. Thanks for watching.